While Super Bowl parties will be a little more low-key this year, in under 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can still bring some spirit to your spread with these Kansas City Chief-inspired star bars. For this project, I'll be using 1 pan of brownies, 1 star cookie cutter, chocolate, white, and red frosting, piping bags and tips, and candy eyes. We'll start out by cutting our stars from the pan of brownies. If you use a more intricate shape like a star, you'll want to be sure the brownies are a little more on the done side to prevent things from getting messy. You could also use a simple shape like a circle or square and things will turn out just as great, but I'm using a star because that's what the Chiefs are to me. So 1 pan of brownies made about 8 3-inch stars, which will be plenty for our small party of 2. Well, depending on how stressful the game turns out to be. With the decorating, we're going to start at the top and work our way down. For the hair, I'm using Wilton tip number 233, and we'll cover the top third of the star. Next, I'll pipe on the red headband just under the hairline using round tip number 5. I'll add the letters KC to the headband using a smaller round tip number 2. Moving down to the eyes, I have these candy eyes in my stash, so I just attached these to the brownie with a little white frosting. Our last step in decorating is adding this winning smile with the white frosting. Repeat these steps on the rest of your brownies. What's on your Super Bowl menu? Would love to hear what you're making. Drop a comment below. Be sure to hit subscribe to get notifications of all my new videos.